In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your blog, updating a portfolio, or launching a new product page, Squarespace provides a user-friendly platform to get you started. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Squarespace. If you're familiar with using a web browser, this step will be a breeze. Simply open your preferred browser and in the address bar type squarespace.com to get started. It's important to use the correct URL, as this will take you directly to the official Squarespace website. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, you'll notice a prominent Get Started button. This button is your gateway to a world of creative possibilities, so go ahead and give it a click. It's designed to guide you seamlessly into your editing journey without any hassle. After clicking Get Started, you'll be routed to the dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Squarespace site. Within the dashboard, you'll find the Website tab. Select this option to begin the actual editing process. The intuitive layout of the dashboard ensures that even beginners find their way without confusion. Next, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of editing. In the Website section, you'll find an Edit button. This is where you can start molding your website to fit your vision. Clicking Edit gives you access to numerous customizable options. Here, you can fine-tune the look and feel of your site to best suit your needs. One of the highlights of Squarespace is its array of content blocks. As you start editing, you'll see various blocks like text, images, buttons, and forms. A real strength of Squarespace is that it supports a drag-and-drop interface. This means you can easily move content blocks around to customize the page's structure and style. Whether you're adding a compelling call to action or uploading striking visuals, these content blocks offer endless versatility. After making your desired edits, there's one crucial final step: saving your work. Always remember to click the Save button once you're satisfied with the changes. This not only updates your website, but also ensures that your hard work is preserved and ready to share with the world. Forgetting to save is a common misstep, so make it a habit to save regularly. And that's it. A quick and effective guide on how to edit your Squarespace site in just 5 minutes. With practice, you'll get the hang of it, allowing you to create a site that's both functional and aesthetic. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.